Planning an event or party and want an unforgettable activity, a balloon drop is your perfect way to create excitement and lasting memories. It's dramatic, fun, and guaranteed to bring lots of smiles, laughter, and pure joy to your guests. Hello, I'm Carolyn CBA, your certified balloon artist and event stylist, and you're watching the Balloon and Party channel, your guide to creative DIY celebrations. So if you want to know how to prepare and hang a balloon drop, I'll show you how. Let's get started. Now today we're going to be creating a balloon drop of 100 balloons. We'll have a pre-strung net and we'll fill them with 100 9-inch balloons, and the 9-inch balloons they'll be blown between 7 and 8 inches. And this is a pre-strung net, which means that it is sealed all the way around, except for about 10 inches on one side. And within that 10 inches is where you will insert your inflated balloons. Once your balloon drop is filled with balloons, then you'll close the opening so that you can attach your balloons to the ceiling. You'll take 3 pieces of rope, 1 for the middle and 2 for the side, and you'll tie your clamps in with your rope, and then you'll attach your clamps to the ceiling, making sure that your pull line is on the bottom. Now it's time for us to test our pull line to make sure that when it's time for our finale, that we're ready.